Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check balance on DU SIM. DU SIM card is available in UAE. So you can see I have a DU SIM. So to check a balance, all you have to do is type *135#, dial, and with the option check balance, reply with 1. Where it is being posted, you will receive message shortly. Okay, you will receive message shortly. Here it is. Your current balance is 8082. This is how you check balance in DU SIM card in Dubai or in UAE.